Good morning, afternoon, class. Once again, it's your teacher, Mr. Collins. Happy Friday. So today, now that we've gone over our do now, written down the objective and agenda. First thing that I want us to do, I want us to think about what we've been talking about recently, the water cycle and the carbon cycle. All right. So my question for this think, pair, share relates back to our do now question. All right. What do you think Chicago looked like 1,000 years ago? So how might changes in the landscape of Chicago impact the water cycle, one, or the carbon cycle, two? All right. I want you all to think about this. How has Chicago changed, do you think, in the past 1,000 years? And take 2 minutes, write down what you think. All right. Then we're going to share with a partner. All right. Now, class, I want you to share with your partner. And once you share with your partner, I want you to, just like from the do now, I want you to draw an image of modern Chicago, what Chicago looks like today. All right, in the do now, you drew what Chicago looked like in the past. Draw what you think Chicago looks like now, or what you know Chicago looks like now. All right, so take 5 minutes, share with your partner, and then draw Chicago modern day. All right, go. Now, class, turn to page 9 with me. We're going to make observations, all right, class? I want you all to compare and contrast these two images. The image will be on the board, too. It's a little clearer on the board than it is on the copy. So I'm going to put the image up on the board. I want you to compare and contrast the two images and make observations. I want you to make 4 observations. Let's take 3 minutes. Make 4 observations, writing complete sentences. My example is above of an observation. I want you to start it like this. I see blank blank. So example, I see that there are equal amounts of sun rays in each model. All right, so 1 and 2, they have equal amounts of sun rays. So compare and contrast, make 4 observations. All right. Now, class, what I want you to do, I want you to take 4 minutes. I want you to share with your partner. Say, my partner sees what? What did your partner see on here? And then I want you to write down the meaning or the interpretation of your observations. All right. So my example is here based on what I saw. So I saw that there were equal amounts of sun rays. So I want you to start it off just like this. This means blank blank. All right. So because I saw that there were equal amounts of sun rays, this means that each image is receiving the same amount of solar radiation or energy from the sun. All right. So I want you to make 2 interpretations of your observations and share with your partner. Take 4 minutes. Go. All right. Now, class, we're going to get into our demonstration. All right. So your job, you are to observe the following demonstration and try to identify what you see. All right. You're going to answer questions 1 through 6. I also want you to draw what you see. Draw the demonstration as well. All right. So we're going to do this. Let's take a good 10 minutes to walk through this. You can work with your groups. All right.